Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video with something that you have to be very careful about, because the car's engine can break. I'll explain. They have brought us a van that has two problems, a problem with a PCV because it is losing oil through its hose and another problem with an injector, which has a bad gasket and the engine is losing compression there. But the most serious problem that this van has, this was not told to us by the owner. I have seen it as soon as I lifted the hood of the car. Look there, you see. The distribution belt is in the air, there is a plastic cover missing. I have asked the owner why he has that like that and he tells me, which is that he decided to do the engine distribution with a friend. They watched a video on how to do it and they did it. And I told him, I'm going to guess, you released the engine support without putting anything under the engine, and he told us, yes, we didn't know that we had to put something under the engine. Of course, when you release the engine support, without putting anything under the engine, what happens? The engine falls, hits against the side, and what they do is break that plastic cover. So they realized, they put the hydraulic jack, they raised the engine and they did the distribution, which is well done, but that cover has to be put on. But of course, since the cover had been broken, well, they assembled it without that cover. That is reckless. Because any object can fall there and what it does is trip the distribution and break the engine. You can't drive like that. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.